You are able to hear me? So every one of you should be able to hear me and able to see my screen. If anyone not able to hear me, please try to reconnect. Okay. See. Okay. Look at here. In day 2, that is yesterday. Yesterday is the actual beginning. Yesterday is the actual beginning of understanding or getting some information about Pega. Day 1 is an informative session. Day 1 is an informative session about the course duration, what we provide during the course, and on different types of provisions that we give here. All that I have explained you on day 1, given you information. Day 2, I have given a clear idea about what is Pega, what is its purpose, and what is BPM and its architecture, and why Pega is called as BPM tool. Also, the architectural components of Pega. These are the points we have discussed yesterday. Yesterday, we discussed about BPM, and BPM as a tool we understood. And finally, we came to a conclusion that BPM is like a plan. It's like a blueprint, or it's just like a methodology. So Pega has adopted that methodology and built a tool called Pega Rules Process Commander. So Pega Rules Process Commander is a tool which is built based on BPM methodology. That's why you call Pega as a BPM tool. So is there anyone for you today is a first session? That means you did not attend yesterday's session either live or you did not even go through video. Okay. So online also, if there is anyone who did not attend yesterday or yesterday, day before yesterday, is that's okay, no problem. If you did not attend yesterday's session and even you did not go through the video also, then today's session for first 20 minutes you may not be able to understand. You may not be able to understand for first 20 minutes. So because it is a connected session with yesterday's session. Okay, the topic is connected to yesterday's session. Probably you'll be able to understand 50-50%. After first 20 minutes is over, then it's common for everyone, you'll be able to understand. So what you can do is, for those today as a first session, watch yesterday's video. After watching yesterday's video, watch the first 20 minutes of today's video again. Up to that whole one single session it will become. Okay, and then rest of the time you will be able to understand in today's class itself. Okay. So class notes was not being shown in the document shared yesterday. Okay, class notes, this one only, no. Yesterday they shared class notes. So all of you must be available in the Google Classroom. You must have connected to Google Classroom. Okay, log into your Gmail, open the Google Classroom app and give this code. Join class and give this code. You will be able to access the documents. Okay, they are posting the documents every day. So far they posted class notes, course content, FAQ, and they posted software download link, software installation link, step-by-step video, and they posted demo PPT, and again class notes of yesterday's. So they are posting every day, and they might be also sharing you on your WhatsApp probably. So all of you should do this. See, I told you, right, one day this number was not working on your day 1, 9652532753. Is this the number from which you are daily getting the updates? Remember, admins are going to send you daily updates. Suppose meeting link has changed, they will share you meeting link on your this one. What is that? WhatsApp. Okay, from this number only they will share, but they will send all of you at a time. How we can send a message to multiple people at a time in WhatsApp? By using broadcast feature. What is that? Broadcast feature. In a broadcast they are sending you, but how broadcast feature works, you know? So the recipient will receive the message from this number when this number is a saved contact in the recipient's phone. So if I collect all of your numbers and add you into broadcast and send a message, you will receive my message only when you have saved my number in your phone. Otherwise you will not receive. If you want to receive daily updates about the classes, you must make sure that save this number in your WhatsApp phone. Okay, if this is the first time you are trying to save this number in your WhatsApp phone, you need to WhatsApp them once. Okay, mentioning your name and please share me Pega software course content and recorded videos of last session. Like this, if you mention, they will save your number and add you into broadcast. Okay, this is for the students who are new, not to everyone. So if you are already receiving direct broadcast message every day, today morning you received an update about reminder, this is not for you. So to the people who might have got this meeting link forwarded from their friends and attending here, or who might have received from a direct conversation from us but not from the broadcast, please make sure that today morning, if you did not receive, just 5 minutes back, if you did not receive any message like meeting is open, that message, if you have not received, any one of you in your WhatsApp, if you have not received a message 5 minutes back, meeting is open, then you are the person who has to save this number in your phone and make sure that you are going to send a message mentioning your name and this same text. Understand? That's an information for everyone. So we will continue with our session continuation of yesterday. So yesterday we discussed and we came to a conclusion at the end. Pega is a BPM tool. Why Pega is BPM tool? Because Pega is being built based on BPM methodology and its architecture is BPM architecture. In the BPM architecture, it has 4 components. Process, which defines the transaction life cycle. Process defines what? Transaction life cycle. And the second one is business roles. Business roles controls the behavior of the system, BPM system. Business rules controls the behavior of the BPM system. And business rules will get stored in a database called as business rules database. And business rules will be driven from business rules database to BPM suite by using a software program called as business rules engine. Business rules engine. These are the 4 components available in BPM suite. That's what we have discussed yesterday. So every one of you clear with these 4 components in BPM, or do you have any doubts or any questions? Okay, I will replace yesterday's document. Just give me a minute, okay? Yesterday, they might not have added updated document. I'll replace it, okay? So now this has the content, no? This content is there, no? This content. Okay, I'll save it so that yesterday document will have content. Maybe they missed it. As you are telling, they might have missed it. 616. Okay, so yesterday document will have content up to yesterday. Okay, for sure it will be there because I modified it. Maybe they might have missed it. Okay, today document will have additional content. Now tell me, all of you are clear about this BPM suite, all these 4 components, its purpose, you are clear, every one of you? Everyone clear? Me note to matlada. Online students, are you clear? Respond on the charting window. Everyone respond on the charting window. Thank you. And as Pega is built based on BPM methodology, Pega tool name is PRPC, where it has all these 4 components available in Pega also, where the naming convention is little different. So in BPM suite, whatever the process or flow that you are calling, in Pega also you'll call the same. Then what about business rules? The term business rules in Pega is Pega rules, and business rules database in Pega is rule base. Business rules engine in Pega is అండి కనీసం కొంచెం అన్నా మీకు ఆతృత నేర్చుకోవాలన్నా ఉండాలండి. ఒక్కసారి చెప్తే మీకు అర్థం కాదా? మీరు జాయిన్ అవుతారో లేదో కూడా నేను పట్టించుకో. అర్థమైందా? మీకు ఇంట్రెస్ట్ ఉందో లేదో మాత్రం నేను చూస్తాను. So business rules engine. Okay, what is that? Business rules engine. Business rules engine. See, let me tell you one thing. I am not working here just for money. Okay, I am working here with a lot of passion. Okay, you need to understand that. So while explaining, while teaching, you might be getting that I am teaching with a lot of passion. I'm not simply telling like just like giving definitions and all. I am trying to explain it to the level best with examples so that it must reach your brain. I am trying to check with all of you all the time. In between, you understand or not, you understand or not. See, I will be expecting the same from you as well. You have interest to learn first of all. Then only you should join this training program. Okay. I already told you on day one also, I know you all need a job. Okay, job or job change. That must be there. That's actually target, goal. Keep that goal in your mind. Okay, in your subconscious mind. But in your primary memory, you have to strongly set it. I want to learn the subject and I want to master the subject. Then you will automatically achieve your goal. For that, what you need is, you need lot of patience and you need discipline. Okay, you have to be punctual to the sessions and classes. Okay, 9 o'clock means 1 minute before you should be available here. Understand? And most importantly, I am expecting a response from all of you all the time throughout our training program. When I ask you, online students respond on the chatting window. 1 person or 2 persons can unmute. Classroom students, everyone should respond with sound. Okay, not by just nodding your head. Respond by opening your mouth. Okay, this is my expectation. I should know whether you are able to understand or not based on your facial expressions here, based on your response here. Based on that only I will be able to teach you the best out of best. Based on your response on the chatting window, I'll come to know what should I teach you, to what level I have to take this training. Okay, to what depth. If you are not responding, I cannot understand whether you are following, whether you are understanding or not. Okay, always you respond without any fear. Without any fear. Right or wrong, different thing. First, open your mouth and respond. Online student, type here on the chatting window. The moment I ask you whether you understand or not, or you have any questions, any doubts, you respond that time. Okay. Should know when you are working in real time, sir. What you are saying now should know when you are working in real time. So we are working in, I have faced problem in real time work due to lack of these topics awareness only. Yes, correct. So business logic itself, business rules, I'll tell you that, hold on. Rule part you need to understand generally. Are you clear, every one of you? Okay, so respond all the time. Okay, so if you did not understand, you tell me. You don't tell me directly, I did not understand, or don't ask me directly, can you please repeat? Tell me, where did you not understand? What is lagging point? You tell me. So you explained this. Okay, I understand this point, but I am missing somewhere here. Okay, that's how you need to come back to me and ask me doubt or something. Okay, so now coming back to this one, PRPC, Pega rules process command. So Pega rules process command is built based on BPM methodology. In the BPM architecture, the 4 different components that are available will also be available in Pega rules process commander environment. So where the naming terminology is different. Process here is process, same name. Business rules, what you call in BPM, we call in Pega as Pega rules. And business rules database, what you call in BPM suite, we call as rule base in Pega. So Pega rules will get stored into rule base. Here what you call business rules will get stored into business rule database. Same way Pega rules will get stored into rule base. And business rules engine, what is that? Business rules engine. Business rules engine is a software program which drives business rules from business rules database to the application to achieve the goals. Correct? Same way, process commander is equivalent to business rules engine. Process commander is a software program which drives the rules, Pega rules, from rule base to Pega rules process commander environment to achieve the required goals, to control the system. Understand clear, everyone? So the name Pega rules process commander, PRPC, the name PRPC, they did not give it so simply. PR stands for Pega rules, PC stands for process commander. Process commander is a program which drives Pega rules from rule base to the environment. That's the reason behind the name PRPC. Understand clear, everyone? That's where we have stopped yesterday. Everyone clear? Okay. Look at here now. So what is Pega rules process commander? Now we are in a process to know little bit more about Pega rules process commander and its architectural components other than the 4 components which we have discussed. Other than 4 components, what are the other architectural components available? We are going to travel towards knowing about that. Also, little bit more information about Pega. What do you know about Pega so far? Pega is a BPM tool which is used for application development. We can develop applications without the need of writing code. In the sense, UI related coding you don't have to write. Business logic related coding you don't have to write. Database related queries and all you don't have to write. Without having knowledge about all these business logic, UI and database, still you will be able to develop applications without the need of coding of all these things. That's what the advantage of Pega. So Pega rules process commander is a revolutionary solution for building the business process management system. In your business, if you want to create an application which is going to be responsible for handling the processing of your business, then you choose Pega and develop your applications. That's the meaning. In other words, Pega is a comprehensive platform for building and deploying BPM, CRM, decision management and case management applications. Decision management and case management. See, yesterday someone was asking, Pega CRM is also there. Yes, it is there. See, Pega has provided BPM related solutions in the market. Pega also provided CRM related solutions to the market. Pega also has decisioning and case management. Pega also has decisioning and case management. You don't know, you don't understand all these terms unless you BPM you understand. Yes or no? So decision management and case management will be there both in BPM and CRM. It's part of BPM and CRM, somewhere you can fit it. But CRM is customer relationship management. Who is the leader in CRM market? Salesforce. Salesforce is a leader in the CRM market. In the same way, in the BPM world, Pega is a leader because of its features provided. See, we have so many operating systems now. Who is leader in operating system in the market? Probably Microsoft, you will say. If you are a competitor, if you have to say Mac operating system, you will be saying. So we have Ubuntu. We have so many other, Linux also, one of the main. But Microsoft is the one, Windows is the one most of the common people will use. Okay, most widely being used later. Okay, and so many other operating, you know, hundreds of operating systems are there, but that is not a leader in the market. All are providing operating system only, but the solutions you have provided inside that operating system may not be suitable for all different users. Some people have provided some better solutions. Some people have provided some solutions which are not that good. See, same product you will get in the market for different prices. But only in the similar products, one product only will be leading the market now. So one product only will be leading the market. What is the reason? That product have good qualities, good features and all over compared to other similar products. Okay, same way Pega has its great features compared to other BPM tools in the market. That's why it is leading the market. What are the main features of Pega? Okay, look at here now. So Pega is a process that focuses on automating the work and powerful automation of the programming. Pega focuses on automation of the work and powerful automation of the programming. Just give me 1 minute. Let's see. Our door is Bantu. Door close. Our door close. Alra. Theriyali bite kanapadutundante door close cheyali. Ikkada varaku kanapaduthundi. Ekkada door open chesi untodu chudu ekkado. Ade. Ee door anna close cheyali bite kanapaduthe. Okay, look at here now. So it's a process. Pega rules process commander is a process which is going to provide you features. What features? Automation of work and automation of program. Automation of work and automation of program. Okay. Automation of work. First of all, what do you mean by automation? What is your guess or what is your understanding or what do you know about automation term? What is the meaning of automation? Without manual intervention. Without manual intervention. Automation means without any manual intervention, something will be done. See, every day you are doing a task, sending a message to your friend. Instead of sending a message to your friend every day manually, you can schedule your message. Message you are going to type, you will schedule it in the WhatsApp saying that morning 10 AM, tomorrow morning or midnight 12 o'clock send this message. If you schedule it, what will happen? Midnight 12 o'clock automatically it will be sent. Instead of manually sending, automatically task is being done. This is work will be done automatically. You are performing work automation. Work automation can be done by Pega. A feature of automating the task. Automating the task is available in Pega. That feature is available, but it's a limited feature. Limited, little bit. Really in the market, there are separate work automation tools available. What are those tools called as? Robotic process automation tools. What are those tools called as? Robotic process automation. UiPath, Blue Prism, Automation Anywhere, OpenSpan. OpenSpan again, Pega is a owner, OpenSpan. So work automation is not a greatest feature of Pega. Okay, somewhat they have provided in it. Separately, they have another tool called OpenSpan. Coming to the powerful feature of Pega is automation of programming. What is that? Automation of program. You know, programming means writing the code. Automation of program means what? Without writing, code will get generated. How? Look at here. I will explain you by an example. Simple example. You don't have to worry about what is that I am writing. Suppose if I want to create a class in Java, I'm learning a programming language. I want to write a class. Class, okay, loan. Class, loan. Okay, open brace, closed brace, and you need to write the type of the class also. Let's say abstract or concrete. Or concrete, you don't have to separate it, just I'm telling. Okay, and extends from, and means parent class. Parent class. You don't have to know about all this technically. Suppose if you want to create a class, you are writing the code. That's what you need to understand. If you want to create something, some component, you are writing the code in Java. Same thing you see in Pega. Come to Pega, right click, create option, sysadmin option, class. Okay, and here you go, name of the class you are giving. Okay, name of the class, testing. What is that? I'm sorry, work after testing, something like this. Name of testing is a name. Create and open. So options will come automatically. I'll select the options. Abstract or concrete. Okay, something here. And then you are going to save it. Class is, hold on. I'm sorry. Save this. Class is created. Class is created. Creating class means navigations you are doing. What are you doing? Navigations and choosing the options. Same thing. What are you doing in programming language? You're writing the code. Just for your understanding, I told you don't have to know about this coding. You don't have to know about the navigations as of now. Okay, later you will be learning navigations. So whatever that you are coding in Pega, you are going to do it by navigations and selections from the options and all. Code will be generated internally automatically. Code will be internally generated automatically, which you cannot see, which you cannot fully see. You cannot customize. You don't need it at all. First of all, you don't need to know about what is created internally. You need to learn Pega in a perspective of how do you create something using Pega navigations only. That's what learning means. Understand clear for now? So Pega provides automation of the program. The program that you are writing, you do it automatically by using Pega user interface. By using Pega user interface. So Pega provides automation of the program. This is powerful feature of Pega where you don't have to write the code. You are going to use Pega related user interface screens with navigations and all and option selection. Code will be generated automatically internally. Understand clear everyone? Online students. Okay, thank you. So clear, right? This is the powerful feature. This is why Pega is leading market. See, you go to other BPM tools, here and there you have to write the code. Here and there you have to write the other BPM tools, you have to write coding. But Pega doesn't need any coding. Moreover, there is another feature which is never available in any BPM tool. That is predefined components. What is that? I told you, no, send email notification. Send email notification is a predefined component available in Pega. If you want your application to send email to another person, you need to write business logic related to email component. No, that you don't have to write. You don't even have to follow the navigations to create it by user interface base. Just already component is ready. You should know the name of the component, access it wherever you want in your application. Done. give the values to email, from email, subject, password, message. All that you give, it will do fast. Understand clear, everyone? This feature is never available in any. This is where Pega is going to look like a ocean. Okay, compared to other BPM tools. Other BPM tools are going to look smaller compared to Pega in the aspect of its predefined features. So many are available. Pega has been started in 1983. When it was been started? 1983, they developed Pega tool. So since 83, they are optimizing, and so many optimizations are being done. So much of predefined features are created. So many predefined features. Today they started integrating Pega with Gen AI. What is that? It is going to be more simplified. Gen AI is also part of your course. Okay, whatever they implemented, I'll teach you all that. That's at the end as of now, not at the beginning. Okay, even if you want at the beginning also, at some point in time I can teach you, no problem. Okay, so that's where you are going to learn the latest version as well as old versions also you are going to learn when you are learning here. Next, let's come to the last slide of architectural components of Pega. What are the architectural components of Pega? You already know 4 components: process, rules, rule base, process command. Process command. See, in this architectural diagram, I am not going to tell you about rule sets, which you understand when you have practical, node manager and servlet. These 3 will be covered while we are going through the courses. You cannot understand. Okay, if you are a working employee, you'll be able to understand somewhat, but others it is not understandable. That's why I'll avoid now, but that will be covered later. Okay, now you see. See, another component in Pega PRPC is Java compiler. What is that? Java compiler. You might be getting some doubt now. We are discussing about Pega. Why you need Java compiler for Pega? I will tell you. Pega is a tool which is built based on some technologies. Pega, you are seeing UI means to develop this UI, they might have used some technology. No. Internally, it is processing engine is there. No. Engine is a business logic. No. That should be developed by using some programming language. Pega has its own database. No. That is a rule base. That needs one database. No. So Pega tool has been built. Overall, in the Pega tool, they have used almost 18 technologies. How many? 18 technologies they have used. Overall tool I am talking about. But primarily, there are 3 technologies we need to focus on. So what they have used in the development of Pega tool? Okay. So in the Pega tool development, they have used HTML, CSS, JavaScript, user interface technology. Java they have used for engine. Engine they have developed now. They have used Java for engine program. Okay. And database can be any database. Database can be any database. In home version, we are getting Postgres database. What is that? Postgres server database. Postgres database. Understand clear, everyone? So engine to run, it requires Java compiler only because it is developed in Java. Initially, Pega started in 1983, right? There it has engine. Engine is C language. What is the language? C language. Later on, after some time, Pega, probably 1998, during that time, okay, 95, 98, the engine has been redesigned, rewritten by using Java language, by using, sorry, C++. So not 1998, hold on, I'll tell you, hold on, give me a minute. During 1990 at that time, okay, I don't exactly remember, C++. Later, during 1998, they converted into engine, again redesigned using Java. They may redesign by using Python, but we are not bothered about what that programming language they have used for engine. So as the engine is developed by using Java, it requires Java compiler internally. Understand clear, everyone? Online students, are you clear with this point? Postgres server, correct. Okay, next you see here XML clipboards. What is that? XML clipboard. See, everything that is flowing in this system, the input that you provide to PRPC system, any action you do, anything you create, anything you open, okay, input you give, output you are getting, everything internally will be converted into XML format for the purpose of security. For the purpose of security. As a developer, should you know about that XML? See, the screen you are seeing here, class for this XML format. If you want to see view XML, you don't have to know about all these things, but these are called as tags. What do you call this? tags, XML tags, extensive markup language, something. Okay. So markup language, XML means extensive markup language or extension markup language, extensive, I believe. Okay. So these are called tags. Okay. In these tags, you should know, as a developer, you should know about 2 tags. How many tags? 2 tags. That I will tell you while we are practically learning. I mean, like that values you need. Okay. So interviews they will ask you. Okay. I will tell you that time, but everything that you provide input to the system and the output that you get out of the PRP system, everything will be converted in XML format. That's why in the architecture of Pega, you are coming across XML clipboards. And you see this, different login IDs can be created on Pega. Login IDs, developer login as a developer, end user login, manager login, everything can be created on the same environment. It will have different security features available. We will be practically working on all those things. Everything that I am telling, we will see practically. There is no doubt about it. Okay, nothing will be left with theory. Next point is, see, generally in real time, one business application, there will be a need. There will be a need. A bank application sometimes may have to communicate with another application, like income tax application, for knowing about the taxation details of a customer. Before they provide the loan, they should know whether the person is paying tax or not. How do they know? You will not submit documents. Even if you are submitting, you may be submitting, customer may be submitting original or fake documents. So they have to verify it. Who has the data? Government has it. From government, how the data will come to bank? It's not manual process. In fact, bank application will send a request to government application. Government application will send a response back to bank application. This process is called as web service. This architecture is called as web service. Over the web, data will be exchanged between 2 applications. This type of development can be done using Pega. This type of development can be done using Pega. That's what we are going to practically learn. That is what going to give you job. You know web services concepts practically, including exception handling. There is no way you will get rejected. 95% of the people, they are not aware of implementation of web services in real time. You know web services, you are good at web services, you are good at exception handling using web services. There is no way you will be rejected in the interview 4 years, 5 years, anything. Okay, so that means your selection process 90% depends on what? Your knowledge on web services practically. Understand? So keep this in mind till the end of the course. Okay, so this is what about the third one. So that is the architecture of Pega. You don't have to by heart anything here. You don't have to by heart anything here. You have listened, try to understand, go through this video and yesterday's video once again after 2-3 days as a revision. You will automatically remember. Never try hard to remember anything. Okay, never try that. So everyone clear so far? The people for whom today is the first session may not be clear much. Okay, maybe you might be understanding somewhat. Okay, yesterday's session plus today half an hour together will make it clear. Okay, so now I am going to tell you about Pega rules process commander installation part. Pega PRPC installation. So all of you should complete your installation process. So what are the prerequisites of system requirements? System requirements. What are the system requirements? Must be Windows operating system. You cannot install on Mac. Note down. No, you cannot install on Mac. So Windows 64-bit OS. All of yours are 64-bit only. 8 GB RAM would be good. 8 GB RAM, your system will be faster and you can work on Pega. That's better. And if you are trying to purchase a new laptop, already you have laptop, this is not for you. Anyone purchasing new laptop for you, purchase only with SSD, no hard disk strictly. No hard disk. No hard disk. See, some systems are coming with hard disk plus SSD combination. Okay, considering the price is less for hard disk, never go for hard disk. It will be slow. It is slow. So SSD is a new technology where the disk will be faster. See, simple, I'll tell you. 4 GB RAM SSD is equivalent to 8 GB RAM hard disk. Understand? So the speed. So always you prefer to purchase with SSD alone, not even the combination. Hybrid also don't purchase. 256 GB also okay, no problem. Do not have any movies or games installed in your system. Okay, so that you can utilize the space much better way. Okay, so and installation, what you need to do. So how do you perform installation process? Look at here in the Google Classroom or on your WhatsApp, they might have shared you. So to all of you, admins have shared these things already long back only. How many of you are done with installation process already? How many of your installation is done? Pega installation. You are done? Okay. If you are not yet done, by end of day tomorrow, you should complete. See, during the installation process, if you face any issue, contact our admins. They will help you. After you try and fail, then only contact. Don't come to them without trying by yourself. Understand? Now, they will be available from Monday to Saturday. Sunday, they will not be available to assist you. That is a holiday, right? For them. Our class is Monday to Friday only. Worst case, by Saturday 4 PM, you should finish the installation. Monday practical will start. There is no doubt. Okay, from day 1 onwards, practicals will start. Look at here now. See here, this is the post of April 2nd, where software download link and software installation step-by-step process is available. Software installation step-by-step process is available. You just have to go through this. You just have to go through this blindly. If you follow that, you will be able to install. Any issue, then come back to them. They will help you. Understand? Clear, everyone? Online students, are you clear? Everyone clear? So start downloading today itself and install today itself. Okay, finish at the earliest. Don't wait till Saturday. Okay, so many of them have already completed. If you want to purchase a new laptop, worst case by next Monday or Tuesday you purchase it and then install immediately and start doing it. Okay, if you don't have laptop for next 2 weeks, join next batch only. Don't waste your money or time. Okay, so I want you to learn from the day 1. That's my intention. It's not simply that you join here. Okay, next thing. What is the next one? So I'm going to tell you about the installation process. See, Pega installation you are going to do. See, like this, you are going to get the Pega software from our team and you follow the video. You install Pega. After your installation is done, you will find one folder, PRPC personal edition created. You nothing to do with this folder as of now, but on your desktop of your laptop desktop screen, you will get 3 icons like this. Where is it? One more icon. One icon, 2 icon. Where is it? 5th row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here. So I'll place it separately beside. So first icon I am placing as startup. Can you see that? Pega platform 8.7.0 startup is there. Startup icon. Second, I am going to place login icon. Order I am placing. Third, I am going to place shutdown icon. See how you access your laptop. Whenever you want to access your laptop, first you start your laptop. So it will take some time to start and you will be seeing a desktop screen. Yes or no? After that, you will see one login screen. You will see. You will have to enter your password or PIN number. Then it will allow you to log in inside. Once you log in, screen will come. You will work for some time. After your work is completed, you will log off first and then shut down next. Yes or no? Same process Pega also. See, when we install Pega, okay, what are the components installed on your local machine? Okay, when we install Pega on your local laptop, what components installed? What components got installed? What components got installed? First one. So first one is Java installed. Second one is Tomcat application server. Tomcat application server gets installed. Third one and most important one is PG admin. PG admin server gets installed. Database gets created. Database and tables gets created. And and data also loaded. Data also loaded, and Pega component, Pega product gets deployed onto Tomcat app server. That all this will be done. All this will be done on a single click and waiting for some time. While installation process is going on, if you might have observed, database created, table created, rows are loading and all. Finally, you might have got a message, rule-based load completed. Okay, that's what database installation only, tables loading only will take more time. Remaining all will be done in a minute. Okay, so by default, after your installation is over, you will get 3 icons like this, and you will get one login screen like this. Yes or no? You got it or not? Those who have installed, you got it or not? You got it? No? Okay. So you are being given with the credentials, no? Default credential, administrator@pega.com, password install, default credentials to log into Pega, So first one, username is equal to administrator@pega.com. Password, what is the password? Install all small letters. Username capital or small, no matter. Username capital or small, no matter. But password, all small letters. It is case sensitive. Okay. So with that, you will log into Pega. I have given you credentials to log into Pega in the installation video itself. Just you will experience getting in. That's it. Nothing you have to do there. Okay. So just I am trying to log into administrator@pega. This is where you start your practical. Understand? Just listen to me carefully. So I will also tell you another point. Okay, log off. I'm nothing to do, right? I don't know anything about Pega after you install. So log off here. So every time when you log in, when you want to work on Pega, log in, work on something, log off, close the browser. See, this command prompt might be running, you know. Remember, this command prompt generally should never be directly closed. You should never close it directly. This command prompt is going to make sure that your server is running. No, application will be there on server, Tomcat server running status, everything is depends on this command prompt. This command prompt only give you commands to the Tomcat what to be done and all. Now, what if you close this? You might have already closed every one of you. If you have installed, you would have closed this, no, command prompt. So regularly, whenever you want to work on Pega, this command prompt must be running. If you close this command prompt, Pega login screen will not come. So this is what starting a server running. Okay. Every time when you want to work on Pega, what you need to do is you need to go here to the 3 icons, startup icon. So I told you now, if you want to work on your laptop, first what you will do? Startup. Same way, if you want to work on Pega, the first thing is double click on startup icon. That will open this command prompt. And this command prompt, you will see some messages are scrolling, running. Okay. That means server is getting started. So your laptop to get inside also, it will take some time. Same way, it will take some time. For some of you, it may even take 10 minutes on initial days. Going forward, it will speed up. After you start up, you need to wait to find one message on this command prompt. Server startup in so and so milliseconds. You are not able to find. So many messages are there. I'm not able to identify or find where that message is available. So what can I do now? I will minimize. If I want to work on Pega, this command prompt should never be closed. Minimize this. After you start up, command prompt will come. Wait for a minute and minimize. Then double click on login. Double clicking on login, login screen will get loaded in a default browser. In your system, Chrome is default browser. In Chrome, it will get open. In my system, Firefox is default browser. It is getting open in which one? Firefox. So now you see here, login screen came, but for you, login screen has not come. You find that screen is still loading. After you click on login, browser will open, but screen is still loading. Here you'll see this is running. White screen you are seeing, this is running. Means server is still coming up. Wait for some time. The moment server is up, login screen will load here. You don't have to make an observation for the message, server started or not. Start up, minimize that, wait for 5 minutes, double click on login. Login screen came means server is up. Still loading means server is coming up. Wait for 5 more minutes or sometime login screen will come. So instead of that, if you get 404 message, what is the message? 404, some error message you get on the browser. That means server startup has failed. Server startup has failed. The reason for server startup failed usually is you directly close this command prompt. When you directly close this command prompt means you are killing the process of server. Server should not be directly closed. Simple. Your laptop, you should not directly power off. Switch you should not off. That's not the right way, no? Go here and give a command of shutdown. Giving shutdown command, it will verify. What it will verify? Any applications are open state. It will give you a warning message. These applications are open. You close it. Again, give a shutdown command. It will close process by process, and it will shut down after a minute or so. That's a proper way of shutting down your server laptop. Instead of that power button, if you long press, it will also shut down, but everything will be killed. All the processes will be killed. Next time when you start, you may get a blue color screen saying that last time it has not properly been shut down. There is a problem. Click on repair. Click on repair. You might have faced it, some of you. Okay, so problems will come when starting next time. Directly power off is not correct. That way, direct closing here is you are directly shutting down the server. Hard shutdown, like you are killing the server process. So what you need to do? Okay, you start up the server by clicking on startup and wait for some time. Log into PRPC. Work for 1 or 2 hours till the time you are working on. This should be minimized. This should be available minimized. And after your work is done, log off from Pega. Then come here. Don't close this directly. If you don't want it, double click on shutdown. Double click on shutdown will open one more command prompt. And in a minute or so, both command prompts will get closed. In server is shut down prompt. Again, if you want to work on Pega, what you will do? Start up, wait for some time, log in, work on it, log off, and then shut down. See, there will be some problems with home version when shutting down. When you are trying to shut down the server, sometimes it may not be shutting down even for me also. So there is no chance that I have to close it. Sometimes power will be gone and it will be closed automatically. So in that situation, this is important. When you start server, any problem with server startup, you don't know what is the exact problem, but server startup problem is there. You're not getting the login screen. You need to follow this workaround solution to fix it. Workaround solution, not a real solution, workaround solution. What you need to do? This video you need to refer anytime in future. This part, last 10 minutes you need to refer for workaround. You have installed Pega on some drive, no? C drive, D drive. I told you, when you install PRPC, personal edition folder will come. Double click on that folder. Okay. And there you see Tomcat folder. What is that? Inside that, go to Tomcat folder inside. Here you see Kafka data. What is that? Kafka data. So I'm sorry. Workaround to start the server. What is that? Workaround to start the server. So go to the path. This path you go to. Inside this path, there is a folder. There is a folder. See here. Look at here now. Kafka data. Don't touch Kafka. Touch Kafka data only. What is the folder name? What is that? And all practically we'll use that folder also later. Kafka data. You find one folder by name what? Kafka data. Shift plus delete this folder. Shift plus delete this. It will be permanently deleted. After deleting, start up the server. Start up the server. It will come up. It will come up with no issues. With no issues. Still issue is there, contact the admin. Still issue is there, contact the admin or me, they will help you. Mostly admin you contact, they have the solution for everything. Okay, everyone clear? Online students, are you clear? Every one of you. So where are you working on using Pega environment? You are working on Pega on your own personal laptop. You are installing Pega on your personal laptop. Do you need any internet connection to work on Pega? No need of internet connection. See, when you are attending the class, To join the class, to connect to the GoToMeeting, you need internet connection. While you want to work on Pega environment, you don't need any internet connection because this is an application installed on your laptop alone. Okay, your application installed on laptop 1 will not be accessible in laptop 2. This is only one laptop. That is how you will work on here. In real time, how it will be? In real time, how you access Pega environment? Here you are accessing startup, login, shutdown for the purpose of learning Pega. The environment wise, login screen, inside that everything, all the navigations, all the components. Environment wise, your home environment, real environment, enterprise, both are 100% same, no difference. Understand? But how you access? Suppose you joined a company. How you access Pega environment? They will provide you one laptop. No, on that laptop Pega will not be installed. I will tell you. See, Pega they will install on a server. Where they will install? On the client server Pega will be installed. Okay, server URL will be there, no? For that application URL, that URL they will give you. All developers they will give, this is development server URL. They will give you. You need to, once you get the laptop, you connect your laptop to their network VPN. Using VPN, you will connect, no? Open browser and you enter the URL, you will get login screen and you work on it. All developers will connect to the Pega server and work there. That's how real time. Real time, you don't bother about installation, startup, login, startup, shutdown, this and all is not your work. Server will be maintained and managed by administration teams, not your job. As a developer, real time, once you join the project, your tech lead will create a login ID for a development server for you. Your tech lead will give you URL, login ID, password. So you start using that URL and login and start working on your tasks that are being assigned to you. That's how it will work in real time. Understand clear, everyone? Is there a way to develop the UI like public portals than the regular Pega UI? See, you can develop the user interface with richness also using Pega, but Pega is not meant for that. You need to understand it. You can develop the way you want actually. Okay, you can customize anything in Pega. It's possible, but the purpose that is meant for is business processing only, not for rich UI. Okay, you need to know that. So now I am done with today's session, giving you all this information of Pega installation, login, startup, shutdown, everything. Installation part, how you install Pega? I told you after installation. So how you install? You might have got this folder now. After you download, go inside, install, double click. You will get one window. Next. Follow the video. Here and there, follow. It's very simple. Blind practice. If you know operating system, you can do it. Minimum basic computer, you know, you will be able to install. So you can ask me if you have any questions. Post your question on the GoToMeeting chatting window. Is it Windows only used for Pega production environment also? No. In real time, Pega will be installed on Linux server. What is that server? Real time, not only Pega, Java, everyone will use Linux for security reasons. No? Okay, you don't have to know about Linux and all as a Pega developer. In real time, Linux. Okay, home version, only Windows. Next. Any other questions or doubts that you have, you can ask me for next to 7 minutes. Even general questions or something, doubts about the demo or anything. Okay.
Harsha sir.
Course related information admins will give you.
Hello.
Any related guidance?
Hi Harsha.
Yes, please.
Apple laptops are working in Pega?
No, you cannot install on Mac OS. Apple laptop with Windows software is okay, but Mac operating system you cannot install. Okay.
Yeah. Okay. And could you please provide the Google Classroom link in Commute tab is possible?
See, Google Classroom link. Look at here now. All of you write down this. All of you write down this. If you have not joined this classroom, write down this. NLC 6 XGN. G means first G, not the last one. See, what you need to do is you go to your Gmail. Okay, open a browser. You log into Gmail and open a browser. What is that? Classroom.google.com. What is that? Classroom.google.com. When you come to your Google Classroom, here on the right hand side, you will see an option, plus icon. Join Classroom. When you click on Join Classroom, it will ask you the code. You enter this code, you will be in. You enter this code, you will be in. So you can access all the content posted so far. Today's content also I'm posting. Pega class, what is it? April 4, 2024. And this document I am going to post. PPT already posted yesterday itself. So if you join today, you can access today post as well as previous posts as well. Scroll down for the previous posts.
Yeah, thank you, Harsha.
Okay, welcome.
Yeah, thank you, Harsha.
Harsha sir, if during installation we get any problem, then how are we going to share our screen with the admin? Via Teams?
Out of that problem, WhatsApp on our admin number. Admin number, you know, right? Admin number, and then call them. Sudhir will pick the call. Tell them you have so and so issue, and he will connect to you requesting for screen sharing. You need AnyDesk software installed on your laptop, not only for installation. During practicals also you have some issues, assignments you want to present. No, our mentors are with someone, then with me you need AnyDesk software. All of you install AnyDesk software in your laptop today itself. Why are you telling about the path, sir? Why are you deleting the folder? I don't understand that. See, it is very simple. Any issue in the startup, any issue when you start up the server, how do you solve the issue? You don't know the issue, no? So for that, I am telling you one workaround to delete Kafka data folder. To delete what folder? Kafka data folder in this path. The deleting that folder is going to fix the issue of startup, and it will start for sure. That's why I told you. Understand? You need to fully focus here while the class is going on. Is Pega got AI integrated? Yes, Pega has AI integration. They started and they have done a little bit, and that we are going to learn. Okay, we are going to learn Gen AI. Yes, Pega Gen AI also I will teach you at the end of the sessions nowadays, or maybe in the middle also I can integrate, no problem. Okay, any other doubts or questions? Okay. With AI coming in now, and what is the Pega feature, especially US market? See, so AI is going to disrupt the technology world. Mainly, the first disruption will happen in, like coming to software development. Content writers all are gone already. Okay, coming to software development, the disruption will happen and is happening in the coding. For coder, it is a problem. Programmer, it is a problem. Tools will not get disturbed for some time, but tools will adopt the AI. Tools will get changed to AI adaptability. Okay, and tools will sustain in the market. Any tool, every tool, and remaining people are there. No, these technologies we don't need. We don't need any more technologies, but you need technology to develop the tools. Okay, where you develop the tool in a faster pace without writing the code using AI, and again tool will have other additional AI features. Okay, maybe it is a little bit confusion. Okay, you can come up with your own tool developed in future which can develop other applications. Tool you can develop by using AI. At the same time, you need to use technologies will never go away. You need technology, but you are not writing the program. You will generate the program. So today AI is like the computers during 1990s. Computers, how the computers are there during 1990s, what features are there? Same way. So it will take certain time to get the full-fledged AI features into the market. It will take minimum 5 years to see the advanced level of AI to its level best. Minimum 5 years. This 5 years is a transformation phase. Now we are in a transformation phase from programming to AI. Okay, we are just at the very beginning. Okay, so tools will never have any problem unless the tool is adopting the AI. Adopts AI, no problem. They are not adopting AI means they will lag in the market. Understand? Downloading AnyDesk for screen sharing, yes. 4 GB RAM with SSD is somewhat okay, no problem. But Pega, as well as we are indirectly coding on top of Java, are we developers? We are developers only. Yes, we are developers without coding. It will be simplified even. So today you are doing a drag and drop and you are choosing some options. No, AI may generate all that on a single click. The application development will become faster. See, let me tell you one thing. You don't have to be afraid of losing jobs or getting the reduction in number of jobs because of AI. That is not going to happen for sure. Okay, so that will not happen. See, what happens during a transformation phase is there will not be any clarity for anyone. What is going to happen? No one knows. Even company CEOs also, they don't know today the impact of AI completely. They don't know. Okay, but there will be an impact. So even though impact is there, that's not going to be a negative impact. That's going to be definitely a positive impact. Okay, so let me tell you a simple example. So people used to do every task manually. So in a bank, they have to maintain all the records manually, right? You go and deposit money, they have to write in your book. Okay, they have to maintain in 2 or 3 connected books. These books again will have to be entered in some other books as a backup. So a person can process a maximum of 15 to 20 accounts in a day for anything. New account creation means maximum of 10-15 accounts only. Yes or no? Okay, by a person in bank. Okay, but today how many accounts a person can process? 1 hour if it is taking for processing one account long back, today how many accounts we can process? Even 200-300 accounts also one banker can process in a day. It is possible. Everything is just like that, right? So banks olden days, banks today, bank employees olden days, bank employees today, number has increased or reduced. See, one person can create only 15 accounts long back. Today they can create 100. Actually, if 10 employees are working in a bank, after computers are being introduced, it should become 1 or 2 employees only, right? 1 or 2 people can do everything that is there. Yes or no? But you need to understand the fact that business will increase when it becomes easy. When it becomes easy, what will happen? People will adopt that culture. More number of people will come and adopt that culture. As a result, business will increase. As a result, number of people who are going to work on that business also will increase. That's how everything will work. So now coding is required. As a developer, you are taking 2 hours to complete some task. You are now getting an artificial brain which is going to help you. 2 hours has become 10 minutes. So now 10 developers work, 1 developer can do. So number of developers will get reduced in the market. That's as usual thought, right? So because 10 people work, you are doing means remaining 9. Why I don't want. So when you don't want, when you have the same volume of the work coming from the client is increasing 10 times the work. You retain the same employees or not? You'll retain. What happens, now you are spending less time. Hourly basis you are being paid. Previously 2 hours you are being paid. Now you are being paid. Previously 20-25 hours you are doing now in 1 hour. So now previously $100 are being paid. Now they are paying only $4 to you, something like that. $4. But their work is done in the same way. Same way. They are getting the same output only for $4. Now the cost of the product is reduced or not? So what will happen now? Small clients also will come into market. Many people will adopt that AI technology, and many new people will come into the market to get their own products to compete with the market. So market will increase. So the number of jobs will increase, will not decrease. That is for sure. Then why the jobs are decreasing now? Because of AI. This is because of transformation phase. We are in a transformation phase. We are not sure what is going to happen. Better you don't put any investment today. Today, if you are going to invest, tomorrow you are not able to go into again spend on other parts of AI regular. So the legacy model, if you are trying to again invest today also, after AI is introduced, still you are investing on legacy model only. You are spending a lot of money. So tomorrow within a year, you will get best features from AI. Again, you have to invest more. Save now. Invest on AI going forward. That's what the business owners are doing. Service-based companies are there, no? They are spending money on giving training to the employees on AI. So service-based companies are dumping the money. Business owners are holding the money. So the projects are not getting renewed. So what should I do now? Should I remove the employees or not? Holding the same employees, again additional funding. So my company is going to run into losses. So now they are reducing the employee strength. Many companies. Once AI is full-fledged developed, then projects will come. More clients will come. Again, they will hire back everyone. No doubt about it. Okay. So that's what you need to understand about the market. Don't be afraid. Nothing is going to happen. Okay. So if your water is flowing in one direction, suppose if there is a hurdle in between, water will change its direction. It will not get stopped. Okay. From there, it will move to right side or left side. Somewhere it will find and go away. But this transformation will take some time to flow out. Yes or no? Same thing. You are now in a transformation phase from legacy model to artificial intelligence model. So you will find some difficulties here, definitely. Okay. So what is your opinion on Pega US market? Do we have space for new Pega developers? Just your opinion. Thanks in advance. Yes, there will be space. See, as a developer, if you are afraid of getting a job, just a simple job with 1 lakh or 2 lakh dollars, as a company, $1 million, are they going to shut down simply? They will try to retain in the market. They will try to retain their market or not. They will do their level best to retain in the market. Yes or no? You don't have to be afraid. Okay. So you do your job, market will be there for sure.
Harsha, today
Layoffs are
video
happening
when
now because of Gen AI, not only because of Gen AI, because of Ukraine war, because of shortage of what is that? What is that chip you call it as? Semiconductor chip shortage. So many reasons are there for the recession. Not only one reason. Okay, layoffs are happening because of all of these reasons. Okay, US inflation is high and so many things are there. Okay, but AI is one of those reasons. But this is a transformation phase. That is why you are finding it. Okay, again you will get the job. No worries. I have a huge gap of 4+ years of experience. Pega, what should I expectation? What certifications? CSA is okay or CSSA is also okay. No problem. One certification is mandatory. Second one is your wish, Prashant. Old certifications of CSA from 2018 is valid. Anytime you have done in the past, it is valid recently. Job market in India is also good and in US is not so good compared to India. Okay, compared to India, US is down. Okay, so India job market is somewhat better compared to US. Okay, it will come back. Let the elections be over. India elections and mainly US elections. Once US elections are over this year by November, market will turn towards positive. Okay, 2025 will be good for sure. There's no doubt about it. By the time AI also will get its real face. Okay, by 2025 AI also will get real phase and many applications will start in AI. Many vendors will come for investments. Many jobs will increase for sure. How many months we need can be job ready? See, from here you put a target of maximum of 6 months, minimum of 4 months. You are regular and everything you are parallel, 4 months is fair enough. Additional 15 days, otherwise 6 months. Okay, 8.8 and 23 are similar. See, the subversions are similar. No need to worry. 8.8 after they started giving the version number with year 23. Now they will release 24. Next year they will release 25 like that. Okay. Which company
Harsha,
have better
today
openings? So many companies are there. You don't have to bother about the company. You bother about only the work culture and the job and salary. That's it. If you don't like the company, go to another company. Startup or big company, no need to think about all those things. Yes, please. You are
Harsha,
trying to ask something.
Harsha, today video when did you upload on YouTube channel? Today video.
It will take around 1 hour to 2 hours to get it posted there.
Okay, fine. Okay, thank you, Harsha.
So what is the package for 4 years? See, remember this. Your package will depend on the previous package as well. If you're going as an fresher means standard package as per the company. Experienced means package depends on your previous package. But in Pega, getting 100% hike is very easy. You can get minimum 100% hike if you are good. Okay. Does Gen AI knowledge will give a boost in getting better package jobs? See, Gen AI is going to definitely create better job opportunities, even better packages on initial days. Later on, when number of people who knows Gen AI increases, packages will be not so good. Okay, it will become an average at some point in time. But on the initial days of Gen AI, whoever knows Gen AI, they'll get good packages. Okay, if current package is 5 lakhs in Pega, you can get 12 lakhs to 14 lakhs if you are giving a switch. How is the job market for Pega? Currently in India, it is good, no problem. There are openings. Only problem is skillful resources. You need to have skill. If you have skill, definitely one of the company is going to hire you for sure. Always skill is the one which is going to win in the market. In any field, not only Pega, software, Java, something. Any field you take, skill is going to definitely win. Okay. Okay, so that's all for now, and it's already 10 minutes late. And tomorrow we are going to start our first session. Okay, in the regular learning process of Pega with a understanding of what we are going to do, how to create something like that. So we're going to discuss about application, types of applications, creating application. So theory plus practical, everything we are going to discuss starting from tomorrow onwards. Do not miss the sessions for any reason. Do not be late to the sessions. Be on time. 1 minute before you be available here. If you follow the, sorry for so many questions. If you follow this course religiously, you mean to say with a lot of dedication. Okay. We are up to mark in market, right? Sorry for so many questions. Okay. See, if you are going to follow this with a passion and with dedication and discipline, you will definitely beat the market. That's for sure. Okay. Real time also 4 or 5 years experience also, they don't know all these things. No doubt about it. Okay. So link for tomorrow's session is also same. If they have told you about the fees payments, did you receive any message about the fees payments? Okay, you did not receive. Probably they will send you a message regarding requesting for fees payments. You can start doing it and follow up with them for any questions related to fees payments and all. It's not me, it's the management only will take care of it. Okay, it's not a trainer. Okay, so follow up with them if you want any details about fees payments and all. They will send out a message today, and you make sure you follow their guidelines in making it and finish it at the earliest. Okay, fine. And I have 3 years of experience in mainframes domain. After training, I want to shift to Pega. You'll be able to survive with this experience as an experienced resource. That's what I told. This training is going to mold you as an experienced resource. You'll be able to survive 4 years, 5 years also, you'll be able to survive. Freshers also focus on experience level only. Fresher jobs you can easily crack. Okay, basics to experience level. Okay, basics means from 0 to experience. That's how it will be. Okay, you can survive as an experienced resource. Okay, thank you for joining. Same meeting link you use for tomorrow also. Thank you everyone. We are going to wind up for today.